obsolete Alten gearboxes. This gearbox runs a conveyor which transfers coal to a big power plant running in the Midwest. This city is shut down right now. The city's power is completely off. This is a critical 911 rush repair. Here at National Gear Repair, this is a full foam blitz. We will be manufacturing new herringbone gears here at National Gear Repair in this location. True herringbone, not double helical. So as you can see again here, Hanson, this gear set is completely toasted, wasted. We're manufacturing a new high-speed and low-speed gear set, redoing the bearing bores, replacing all bearings and seals. National Gear Repair is actually cleaning some parts right now. Hanson, take a walk with me, would you? We'll be doing kind of a step-by-step tutorial. All new bearings and seals will be replaced from the OEM. We will continue to wash to do a better inspection, and then we're going to continue actually right now to start manufacturing our gear set. Once the gear set is manufactured, we will then find our true center distances and continue to line bore the housing, drop in our new bearings, drop in our new gear set our bearings and seals, put it on our horizontal test bench. We will simulate a light load, make sure this box is working perfectly. We will all have this done within 3 weeks. That includes manufacturing all new herringbone gears. That, my friends, is that's a miracle. So we're going to keep our fingers crossed, throw up a couple of Hail Marys, and make sure we get the city back up and running. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. All work at National Gear Repair is warranted for 24 months, and we will offer free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes. Thank you. We now have our herringbone gear set and our vertical 100-ton press. We are pressing off the low-speed pinion onto the intermediate shaft. And here to my left, your right, we are utilizing our horizontal press. We now need to press out our large bull gear, our low-speed gear set, press apart our low-speed gear set in order to start manufacturing the herringbone gear set. So here at National Gear Repair, when it's a critical rush repair, it's a premium service, and you basically have all 23 employees drop what they're doing, and we devote all 23 employees' time and efforts to your particular project. That's how we can achieve a 24 to 48-hour rush repair. In this case, this particular gearing, herringbone gear set, true herringbone gear set, does take a lot longer to manufacture. So the standard is about 12 to 14 weeks. We will have this project done in 3 weeks. So continue to watch. Thank you. Customer wanted this project done in less than a month. The forgings alone, an 8620 or a 4340 or 4310 forging was 10 to 12 weeks out. Then shipping, and then by the time we get our hands on it, make the brush, we're talking just with a 20-week project. So what we did here at National Gear is, the customer did sign off on this. It's a much more expensive way of doing things, but we got a piece of fecal material. This block of material alone was close to $25,000. So we got fecal material, it's pre-hardened. The problem with it is it's too hard to machine into hob. So we sent it off to our local heat treater, we annealed it, and now we got it back. We're coming up at 21 Rockwell. This went from 40 to 42 Rockwell to 21 Rockwell. That gives us the ability to start machining on our bullard lathe right there. And then we're gonna get the teeth kind of planed, straight or hob, whatever which way it is that's necessary for the herringbone gear set. Then we're gonna send it back to heat treat to make it hard again. There's a lot of steps that we took here to get this project done. This is the only way you're gonna do this in 4 weeks. So the clock is ticking as of today. Thank you, don't forget to keep watching. Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear. Our blank here for a herringbone input pinion is pretty much done. We are now testing the Rockwell hardness. This will be now taken next door, and the teeth, the herringbone teeth will be cut. And then this will be sent back out to heat treat. Right now we're about 30 Rockwell. Ideally we want to be about 40 Rockwell for our input pinion. But this is coming out beautiful. This is all done in emergency rush. If you'd like, take a walk with me to the next shop so we can show you the large herringbone gear. Here now we are at our VTL. We are hogging out our herringbone, the large bull gear. Obviously you've seen the pinion just now, but yeah, we're ideal, perfect. Perfect. Right at 25 to 28 Rockwell. And what we're gonna do is, once we're done cutting the teeth, then we will send this back out to heat treat to bring the hardness up a little bit. Ideally, we want to be about 10 or 12 Rockwell harder on our pinion versus our slow speed gear. Thank you once again for continuing to watch our video here of our very special Alten Gearbox Emergency Rush Remanufacturing. As you clearly see, this box has been basically remanufactured. We made new gearing, relined board the housing, made some new covers, repaired some covers. We are now beginning our reassembly. We are now utilizing our liquid nitrogen to shrink our shaft, the bearing boards in our shaft. And then we're heating up our internal gear here, heating up the bore of the gear, I should say. This here's one of our Tinkenberry heaters. That'll get to about 700 or 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That way the bore will expand and the pinion will shrink. The bearing boards of the pinion will shrink. That way gravity will do the job for us. Then we'll begin our reassembly. If you'd like, maybe once you get in here, you can kind of show them some of the parts. All the covers have been prepped. The gearing came back from heat treat. Right about 45 Rockwell on our pinion. Right where we want to be, ideally. And all our parts, we got new hardware, new bolts, new washers. We got aviation sealant, which will allow us to seal the lids and compress the lids to plus or minus 1,000 to help with any noise reduction. And while I have you here, let me show you some of our other extruder boxes we're doing. Some of our other clients, top clients. This is Green Another Emergency Rush extruder boxes. We specialize in single and dual extruder boxes as well for plastic, rubber manufacturing, and the compounding industry.